Hey everyone, this is Steve coming back with part 2 of the beginner jam making. Just finished cooking. They cooked for about an hour and filled 4 jars. You can see right there the fill level there. It's about perfect. Um, the jam, let's see here, got a little bit left here on the spoon, and see if I can get this right. You can see how nice and thick that came out. Actually, it won't even come off the spoon. Pretty thick. Slowly, slowly. And tasty. So we'll go ahead and put the lids on using the magnet with the lids that are in here in the pot. Grab those. Actually works better. Sorry, a little shaky doing this one-handed. There we go. Get the magnet on there so that way you don't touch it. I've already gone through and cleaned off the lids of the rims of the jars with a wet paper towel. So I'll go ahead and seal those up, put them back in the water bath for about 10 minutes, let them come to temperature, and then take them out with the other grabbers, the jar grabbers, put them on a cutting board, let them cool, and the vacuum will be created when you hear the ping, and they'll be good to go. Let them cool down overnight, and then enjoy. Hope this helped you. Thanks a lot for watching.